As a woman, purchasing a car alone can become a financial nightmare, costing you thousands of dollars. Getting your car serviced can become an even bigger headache. Statistics show that women almost never get a fair shake when getting their car serviced, regardless of whatever the mechanical issues are. Women's Auto Connection believes they can solve that problem once and for all. Because of our 24 plus years of automotive experience, we have forged incredible relationships with all sorts of automotive professionals as well as aftermarket companies who provide fair pricing for women. It is for this reason we implemented our Mechanical Concierge program. We will, through our automotive network, find you your mechanic who will provide you a great deal. We do not receive any compensation from any of these companies for this. This program includes body shop assistance, oil changes, first-time oil change $40 coupon, windshield repair, auto insurance review, helping you with your paperwork and understanding your current insurance policy, automotive contract review, attorney accident review, access to our Lemon Law attorneys, and any new programs added in the future. At the end of this video, fill out our form and a no-hassle, no-haggle representative will contact you within 24 hours. Women's Auto Connection will not share nor sell your information.